Meet ProphetPool, an AI-managed reward asset yield application built on BOTChain. ProphetPool helps users assess reward asset opportunities while making the risks, the data sources, AI decisions, and repayment lifecycle visible. Most reward asset platforms shows users a token and APY, but hide what happens when the underlying asset becomes risky. ProphetPool adds an active risk control layer. It continuously monitors real-world evidence and allows policy-bound smart contracts to react when conditions changes. So this is the live opportunities workspace. Every 60 seconds, ProphetPool refreshes stock and reward information, including the asset type, payment probability, yield target, maturity, evidence source, and current risk states. So each opportunity is clearly labeled as live, executable, preview only, or awaiting verification. So ProphetPool includes an agent-only prediction market that continuously prices the probability of repayment for each reward asset opportunity. Then the scout agent brings in live stock, reward assets, and payment evidence, while the manager agent evaluates the risks and the resolution agent confirms major changes. So now this is the AI-DID agent and AI allocation. So ProphetPool is operated by AIDID-identified agents. The scout agent collects evidence, the manager agent collects a risk adjusted allocation, resolution agent verify repayment or defaults. Then each agent has an on-chain identity, the model commitment, reputation history, authorized scope, and decision history. So we ask the manager agent to produce a personal allocation plan. The AI recommends how much exposure should go to senior, mezzanine, and equity positions based on the user's risk profile. So this is also the user's basket. USDT is divided across these three structured positions. The senior receives priority payments, while the lowest target risks. Mezzanine takes a middle position for additional income, while equity absorbs the first loss in exchange for the highest target yield. So the basket also shows the execution map, so users can see exactly which allocation can execute now and which remains preview only. So once the user understand the allocation, they can deposit USDT directly into the self-custodian vault. So for this demonstration, we use a small deposit of 0.05 USDT, which I just deposited. So the user approves the token, confirms transaction on BOTChain, and immediately see their position recorded in the basket. So withdrawals remain feasible while the position is open, subject to the vault's current policy states. So this is the risk loop or the resolution page. If verified, it then shows that asset is becoming risky. RiskController can pause new funding, restrict transfers, or update the vault state. So when payment occurs, authorized resolution agents will submit evidence votes. So once the required consensus is reached, the votes execute the repayment waterfall. The user can then claim eligible principal and release earnings. So every important decision produces a proof containing the model commitment, the input data hash, output, evidence hash, and policy version. So ProphetPool is not a chatbot. This is our documentation, and it's not an unrestricted trading bot. It's an AI native reward asset yield system where agents observe, policy decide, and BOTChain records and enforces the outcome.